Hello viewers, this is FM Motion and the pilot Frank Magna, Uganda's finest. Today we're having a wonderful tutorial on how to remove pimples, dark spots. The thing is, how to remove pimples, dark spots on an image using these tools in Photoshop. Alright, so let's begin. So I have Photoshop set up with me already. So first things first, you press Ctrl N or you go to File New. Okay, then give it a name. We shall call it Facelift. Then skip all this. We shall be using centimeters. After setting up that, we shall be using centimeters of 18 centimeters on the width. Then the height, I'll give it 10 centimeters. Resolution, it's saying 72. Since we're not going to print any work, 72 is very okay, pixels per inch. Color mode, RGB color is okay. Content background, I prefer transparent. So once everything is set, you can now say okay. Alright, so this is what we call a canvas, having a transparent background, meaning there's nothing there. So let's bring in the image. So you need to have your images set. So my image is here, so I'll drop this there. So Photoshop gives me those two crosses, which means have you transformed your work or do you want to transform? Yes, I want to transform, so I'll transform a little there. After I'm through, you can either tick here or you press enter, which I've done so. So go to your layers, rasterize. So after rasterizing, duplicate your layers so that you have a copy. Switch off the original, the one having that. Then we shall concentrate on this one. Now this one, the tools we shall be using for removing such items, or we shall be using these tools here: spot healing brush, then patch. So let's start with spot healing. Select it, come to my picture, call it spot healing. Spot healing, okay. Click outside. Now let's start editing. So before we start editing, go up here, change maybe your size, reduce it a little bit, make sure it's on proximity match, then just start rubbing away this. You can drag like this or you can click. Whenever you see that, you click again until it disappears, or you zoom in. Then you can reduce on the size of your brush. You zoom in, then continue rubbing. Let's do this quick. So you can click also. So when that happens, just rub carefully. Okay, almost. Okay, so that's our spot healing. Okay, so if I zooming out, control minus. So at the end of the day, if I'm to compare the two images, original, that's how it looks, that's before, after. So you can see there's some change. Forgive me for this, but we shall get a better tool. Yeah. So check me out on my part 2, and then we shall talk about healing brush and the patch tool. Thank you. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to subscribe or share this video. Thank you so much. It's Frank Magna, FM Motion, UG's finest.